Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I will share a very healthy and delicious snack that you can prepare in a very practical way. I would like to share a traditional Turkish dessert, Cezerye. So let's start. I take 3 cups of grated carrot in my pan. I add 1 cup of sugar on it. I cook the carrot, stirring it from time to time over medium-low heat. Firstly, the carrot will release its juice, and then I will make it absorb the juice. I cook it by mixing it from time to time until it absorbs the water it has released and the carrots are soft. I'm taking it off the stove. I take it in a deep bowl and let it cool. After the carrot has cooled, I add 1 teacup of ground walnuts on it. Then I passed a pack of petit beurre biscuits through the kitchen robot. Look, it's very thin. I add it on top of it. I mix it well. However, because the consistency seemed a little thick to me, I added half a teacup of milk. If you want it to be softer, you can add up to a teacup of milk. I'm mixing it up well. My mortar is ready. I'm laying a plastic wrap on the counter. I sprinkle some coconut on it. Then, I put my Cezerye mortar on it with a spoon. I roll it into a roll with the help of the plastic wrap. As I said, if you want it to be softer, you can add a teacup of milk. The consistency is nice for me like this. I give it its shape by pressing it firmly with my hand. I cover the edges and then I put it in the fridge like this. I keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours like this. Then, after 2 hours, I opened the plastic wrap. As you can see, I cut it into slices with a knife. I wanted to decorate it with walnuts. You can decorate as you wish. My Cezerye is ready to be served. It's very delicious. It's a very healthy and delicious dessert. I recommend you to try it. Thank you for watching my video.